Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram keeps crashing on your iPhone. So if you have this problem in your iPhone that your Instagram is crashing, not working properly, then watch this video until the end if you want to fix this problem. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, make sure that your internet connection is working. For that you can go to YouTube and Safari browser and make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Once your internet connection is working and still Instagram keeps crashing, then the next step is turn on the airplane mode, turn off the Wi-Fi for 5 seconds, then you can go back and turn off the airplane mode and see if it works. And if it's still not working, then the next step is force quit and restart Instagram. For that, if you have iPhone without home button, you can swipe up, and if you have iPhone with the home button, you can double press and swipe up and close the Instagram. So once you've done this, then you can go back to your Instagram and see if it's working. And if it's still not working, then the next step is restart your iPhone once. It can fix your problem. And if you still have this problem, then go to App Store, then click on search and search for Instagram and see if there is any update available for Instagram. So if you see an update, then simply click on update and make sure that you update Instagram apps in your iPhone. So once your Instagram app is updated, and if it's still not working, then the next step is make sure that you update your iPhone. Go to settings and go to software update, and if there is any update available, make sure that you download that update and install it in your iPhone. So once you have done all these steps, and if it's still not working, then go to general settings, click on general, click on iPhone storage, then scroll down and simply click on Instagram and click on offload app. This will only offload the app, you won't lose any of the documents, and you will get this reinstall app. Then simply click on reinstall app. You can go back to home screen and app will reinstall. Once you've done this, your Instagram will be working perfectly. You won't face this crashing issue in your iPhone anymore. So hope this video helps you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.